Hi, let's try this question. This question is taken from SPM 2022. So this is from your Form 5 at Math, Chapter 1, Circular Measure. Now, diagram 2 shows sector AOB. So we have sector AOB and COD inscribed in a circle with center O. So O is the center. The radius of the circle and the radius of the sector COD is h centimeter and k centimeter. Okay, the radius of the circle is h centimeter. Let me label first. This is the radius of the circle, which is equal to, okay, if I draw it this way, maybe it will confuse you. From here to here. Okay, this one. So this is h centimeter, and the radius of the sector COD, which is the smaller one, this is k centimeter. Okay, the length of arc CP and the arc PD, CP, PD are equal. So this means that these two angles are having the same measurement. Okay, it's given that the perimeter of the minor sector AOB will be here. Okay, so the perimeters of the minor sector AOB is 15.235 centimeter. Perimeter 15.235 centimeter. Okay, this is sector AOB. Okay, minor sector AOB. Okay, and we have another information given here. The area of the shaded region, which is here. The area here is 8.376 square centimeters. Okay, using pi equal to 3.142. Now let's solve these two questions. State the angle COD. Where's COD? COD. Okay, this one should be no problem, right? But we want to give our answer in terms of pi. Now we know that a full turn is 360 degrees, right? So angle COD is equal to 360 degrees minus 240 degrees. So which is equal to 120 degrees. But the question asks us to give our answer in terms of pi, means that we want to change it to radian. So 120 times pi divided by 180. Okay, cancel the 10, cancel the 0, divided by 10, divided by 10, and then here divided by 3. Okay, let me divide it by 6 will be faster. Divide this by 6, you will get 2, 2, 6, 12, and 3, 6, 18. So it will be 2 over 3 pi radian. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. COD. Let's go to the second part. Hence, calculate the value of h and k to the nearest integer. Okay, now let's find h first. Since we know that these two angles same size, so COD is 2 pi over 3. So here will be pi over 3. Here will be pi over 3. Okay, this is in radian. Pi over 3 radian. Now, try to think, given by the questions, the perimeters of this sector AOB is equal to this. So how do we get this perimeter? Radius plus the arc length here, right? Okay, so it means that 2h plus the arc length, which is r theta, and the r is h. So r theta is pi over 3. So this will be the perimeters of this sector, right? Which is equal to 15.235. Now, we just find the value of h. Just press your calculator and we use pi equal to 3.142 given by the quotients. So here 2h, we just press 2 plus 3.142 over 3. Okay, so you will be able to get this one. Let me write the fraction. 14571 over 1500. Okay. Okay, don't forget to write the h is equal to 15.235. So just take your calculator, just key in your calculator 15.235 divided by this. So h is equal to 15.235 divided by this whole thing. Okay, round off our answer to the nearest integer, right? So the h will be equal to 5 centimeter. H will be equal to 5. Okay, now let's go to k. Given by the quotients, the area of the shaded region here is 8.376. So how do we get the area here? We find the area of the larger sector, right, minus the area of the smaller sectors, then we'll be able to get this area. So we are going to use this to help us to form an equation. How do we get the area of this larger sector? 1 over 2 r squared theta, right? The theta must be in radian. 1 over 2 r squared h squared, since we know h is equal to 5. 1 over 2 r squared theta. The theta is pi over 3. Okay, this is the area for the larger sector, minus the area for the smaller sector using the same formula. 1 over 2 r squared. Okay, now we don't know the r is k, right? K squared. The theta is still the same, pi over 3. 1 over 2 r squared theta, 1 over 2 r squared theta. Okay, now it will be equal to the area of the shaded region, which is given by the quotient 8.376. Okay, so here just press your calculator. 1 over 2 times 5 squared, which is equal to 25, times 3.142 divided by 3. Okay, 1571 over 120. Okay, how about this one? So here you just press this one times this one. 1 over 2 times 3.142 over 3. Okay, 1571 over 3000. Don't forget the k square. Okay, so the next step, this minus this one. This minus this. Just press your calculator. 8.376 minus 1571 over 120. Okay, so can I change to fraction? Okay, cannot change to fraction. Let me do it a little bit faster. I'm going to take this one minus this divided by this. Okay, minus this one divided by this whole thing. Don't forget the negative. 1571 over 1571 over 3000. Okay, which is equal to this 9. Okay, I just round off to the nearest integer, 9. Okay, so we know k is equal to square root of 9. So you don't have to write plus minus because we know that k is definitely positive, right? So k is equal to 3. Okay, this is the answer for part B. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.